Oh, it's fine. Did you get that fella's name that we were talking to on Saturday?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
No. Like he had an interesting life. Living on the Falkland Islands, being piped aboard HMS, whatever it was.
Well, it wasn't it?
Yeah. Perhaps his father was something like something in the civil service or like, I'm thinking like the ambassador to the Falklands or something. You know. John?
Yeah.
There's the woods that we're going bloody in.
I know. No, I've driven all over large chunks of this area on a motorbike, yes, on my trails bike. Off-road everywhere.
I throw the ball off the top of there and Lola goes over the edge and the little back feet go whoosh down.
You used to be able to drive all the way from Winchester to the where the water treatment place is without going on a road at all through woods and have to lift your motorbike off over the fence at the end. God, I can do that now. I can even sit on one.
Or on the crappy thing, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oakham is closed.
Good. Strange place.
Why? I don't know. It's just as Oakham is closed, is it?
I had my first car broken into in Hokum, of all places, down the road from the Dolphin. The Dolphin pub.
Pursley.
Oh right, yeah it is, sorry. Begins with a H.
My car was broken into outside my house. This stock never took anything. All these tapes and everything. Never took anything.
At Green Hill Terrace?
Yeah.
Oh,
Smashed the window.
bastards.
Oh, I never used to bother to lock my car. I got Jill's kind of mentality. Never bothered to lock my cars. So if they got into my car, there's nothing worth taking apart from that. That time it was an umbrella went missing. And the other time was at work, and I don't think anything was taken, there was nothing in there.
Oh, there you are.
Never locked any of my cars
Just got in the car before it shut
to
it
drive. Buy a car with 10 months MOT and tax, and that would do me for 10 months. That kind of mentality. As long as the brakes and the steering worked, I didn't care. That's what the MOT was for.
Still there.
been other things, hasn't it? In between. Summer fields and Safeways as well. Went back to being a co-op. Was it a co-op when you first started? In the 60s?
No, I think it was Safeway's initial.
Safeway.
Before that, there was a garage there and a lot of nothing really before it was built.
You haven't been in the Art Deco cafe yet, John?
Wow.
There's Marilyn, that's our dentist. John, that's as far as John could walk without collapsing.
And that's on a good day. Oh.
Why are you doing this filming?